Okay, so I'm going to shine up these rims and put some stripper on them, wire brush them, and clear coat them. Okay, so I got this stuff. It says put it on, wait 15 minutes, scrape it off. Okay, so it said to put it in a metal can. Might take multiple coats to get it all off. I'm changing the tires in a couple days as soon as I get this done. So I'm not so concerned with getting it on the tires. As long as I can get it to the store. Inside each section here, it looks okay. It's just this top part right here that seems to go bad. Got a couple of brass brushes at Lowe's. They're about $3-4 each. What a mess. They make it look so easy in the videos. wipe this stuff off, and it comes, the clear coat comes right off. Right.
Those houses saying, oh, you can renovate it and make it so easy.
Yeah.
But you're knocking it down and putting it back. They don't tell you about all the mess in between.
Here's that little brass brush. It's actually pretty tough. Be careful if you wear gloves. Most of the time it was fine, but one time it caught the glove, wrapped it right around the drill. It didn't hurt, it just ripped the glove right off my hand, but just a bit scary. Good thing the glove busted up. Okay, so I use this thing a lot. It's a brass brush from the welding department, and I use this thing a lot. Just a butter knife with some teeth. The problem I had was all these inserts are painted. And that was a real pain. If I only had to deal with this part that was corroded, I'd have been done in 15 minutes. So if I would have thought about it, I would have just done the tops and not bothered with the inserts because the inserts were fine. But I didn't think it was going to be that tough. So I'm done scraping. Now I'm going to rinse them off and sand them with some sandpaper. Okay, so here's the finished product. Those might be a little dirty. I finished them probably a week ago, and I lost the original video that I had done that day. So the inserts here were painted, and those didn't come all that clean. I used stripper on them like 5 times, and it wouldn't all come off. I sanded them for hours. Spent about 3 hours per tire. So that's with the new tires. I haven't put the inserts back in yet. So you can see they turned out okay. I guess from a distance they look okay, but up close they're not all that great. This part cleaned up nice. You know, that's where it was corroded around the edge. So if I was to do it again, I wouldn't bother. With the inserts because that part was fine. The only place it was really corroded was like right around this edge here. So I could have just done the tops and left the inserts painted gray, because on mine that part was fine. So I guess they turned out okay. So I didn't bother to clear coat them because I was thinking I might discover a way to clean those inserts up better. So they're definitely better than they were. So So there's the other side. I did all four. It was definitely a major job. I wire brushed those inserts forever. The tops turned out real nice and shiny, but the inserts, I couldn't get all the pin off, and it was a job, there's no doubt about it. Okay, see ya, bye.